Welcome to the Beltrams 2022 Halloween decoration. So here I have my Jack and Sally. Sally's hair needs a makeover. I've had her. This is my third year going strong with Sally. But there you go, Sally. And here's Jack. And here's Zero. And I just put them in a little yard hook thing. Here is a little light I got from Target. I got this guy from, I think, Spirit last year for 30 bucks. And then I got these guys. These guys are my new addition. I got these guys at Walgreens this year. And I'm so lucky to find them because people were reselling them online. So that sucked. But here's my little cute Maleficent. She's pretty cute. And then I have my skeleton witch here. She's looking fab with a little pumpkin that I need to carve. This is a foam pumpkin my neighbor got me. And then it's a brick here, but I have this little guy I got from Walmart. I got him yesterday, so I still need to add him. And then here I have a Hocus Pocus sign I made 2 years ago. It cracked. So if you guys have any recommendations on how to fix this and save it, because it's getting deeper. It started off all the way up here this year and we moved, so it's starting to get a lot worse. Here we have this little mummy guy, and then I have these stacked pumpkins. And here's my garland. And then I got these little Mickey lights. This year I found them at Marshall's. And they're one of my favorite finds. I got the wreath at Walmart 4 years ago. Or 3 years ago, 2019. Here is my home. Here is my little pumpkin. I got him at Sierra. He's a dupe from Pottery Barn, but I'm happy I didn't get the actual Pottery Barn guy because my kids squished him really bad. Really bad. And here is my fireplace. So I was originally going to put these guys outside, but one, Leota doesn't go outside. She's meant for indoors only, which sucks. And then I got my Billy Butcherson tombstone, as well as another Haunted Mansion tombstone.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
I got her at Lowe's this year. And then I got these cute candelabras back here. I'm not going to turn on the candlesticks because they died. They died twice already. Like, they die in less than a week. So it's pretty dumb, but I'll just change the batteries when Halloween comes. These guys are dead. I need to fix them. I'll put probably new fairy lights in. These I got at Home Goods. The little trees I got from Target Dollar Spot a year ago. And then the candelabra from the Threshold collection. And then I got this guy at Kohl's. And then I got that little guy at the dollar section last year at Walmart. And then I got my name. I spelled it out. And I bought the individual pumpkins. I think they were like $4 each at Michael's. And then I added a little creepy cloth. And then I got this guy 2 years ago at Walmart online. He's so cute. They have other guys of him now, but I think he's cuter. He's like a soft velvety material. And then here is my TV stand. Let me show you guys my Mickey. Like, or I don't think it's on. Is it on? Oh, there you go. Super cute. And then I got this guy at Home Goods last year. And then I got this from Walmart, and I freaking love him. He's so cute. I put these wax melts, and I got these samples off of Etsy, but I'm not that crazy about it. But it's supposed to smell like Tower of Terror. And then over here, I just put in my little remotes in this guy. See? Clutter Hiding 101. Here I have my little cauldron. And Raydon is definitely dying out because I'm happy to find this guy. And then here is my tiered tray. Here I have Ursula, and I have my little Sally mug whip topper. I got him from Target last year. I got this guy, the Sam Lollipop from Spirit of Halloween, and he lights up. This guy I got at TJ Maxx, and then this guy I got at Michael's this year. And then I got this one from 2018. I got him at Disneyland. I didn't go to the not so scary party because it's really expensive, but now that my husband has a real job, not me yet, we could probably afford it. Hopefully in 2 years or next year. But here is my little Mickey pumpkin tea light holder. My friend got me him at Disney World last year. And then I got Beetlejuice. I love Beetlejuice. I definitely need to buy more Beetlejuice decorations or get him a mug, because these mug toppers are cute and these little mugs are cute, and I put them in here because all my mugs for the majority have toppers, like they come with the top on it. So I need to get them their own mugs. And then these guys I got off of Etsy, and this girl who does them, she goes into really good detail. Amazing detail. You can't really tell. The camera does not do it justice. And then I got this guy. He's a salt and pepper shaker off of Amazon. And I just didn't fill it with anything because who's got time for that? I don't. I definitely don't. But I just stacked the little cherries on top because it looks so cute. And where's my third one? Here's my third one over here. And I call it a day. There you go, stay. And then here's Scary Teddy. He's pretty cute too, see? But you could fill it with like cinnamon and whatever other toppings you want for your lattes or hot chocolate. And then I got this little mini salt shaker pepper, salt and pepper shaker from Home Goods. And then I wrapped a little candy cane pick and stick from Michael's. And then I got these guys off of Etsy too. They're just cookies, and I just spread them throughout my tier tray. I was gonna say bar cart. I don't even have a bar cart. I wish. And then this beautiful piece I got off Etsy, but she was at Disneyland. She was sold at Disneyland in 2020. Super cute. And then I got him from Target last year. And then I got these guys from Home Goods, but they died. I got them last year. And then here I have my Madame Leotis from Spirit of Halloween. I got her this year. And then I just added some picks and sticks. I got this off of Amazon. And then, well, I think I already showed you guys that. And that's that Ursula pumpkin. She's from Walmart. She was like $5, I think. I don't even remember. I got her last year, and she was the only one. But they have more villains, and I wish I could get more, but it's okay. And then here is my sink. Here's my little Frankenstein guy, and he's so cute. I love him so much. He has a little, I just put sponge and like all the, what is this, the little drain covers in there. Dyed clutter. But I use my regular sponge. I just put it here because it obviously has more air circulation and it won't get all moldy and wet. And then don't even look at my mess because I don't have any dirty dishes, but they're drying. My kids' bottles. And here I have a fall candle I have my kids' tablets charging. I have a fall candle from Bath and Body Works, and I just put a skull on top of him. I got him from Walmart. And then here you guys go. Here's my little setup. So I got this charcuterie board from Target, and then my Bath and Body Work hand guy. I got him this year, and I think you guys all know that he's been selling out pretty quickly. And then I got my Disney Nightshade guys over here. I love these guys. I got these guys from Box Lunch this year, and then I put them right here. And I got this at the Bullseye Playground, and I think it was like $5. And then come over here, and I have my cast iron I got from Home Goods this year. And then I got this guy from TJ Maxx last year on clearance, but I used him as a spoon rest. And then here is my other section where I got my Mickey and Minnie pumpkin cookie jars. I got Mickey last year, and then for $25, and they upped the price to $29 this year, and I found Minnie. And I got this guy from TJ Maxx 2 years ago, and then I got my Spooky Cider Lean. And that is my kitchen. On to the dining room. Here you go. Here's my dining room. Let me go show you guys. Those are the candlestick holders that suck. I don't recommend them because they die so quickly. But I got this guy off of Marshall's website this year, and I love him so much. I think I love him more than the Threshold candelabras, and those were very expensive. I'm kind of embarrassed to say how much they cost because, but they're beautiful. They're worth it, and I'm gonna have them for a long time. I just tell myself that. My husband will kill me, but anyways, here is a wine glass holder that I got from Home Goods this year, as well as my spooky plates. And I got this guy from Michaels, Home Goods, Michaels, Amazon, Michaels. A lot of all my flowers are basically from Michaels, except for some of them are from the dollars. The Bullseye Playground. Oh, the Bullseye Playground from Target. And then I just draped the chandelier with a creepy cloth, and then some more creepy cloths. And then guys, here is my shelf. I have my little spooky, oh my god, I'm like talking and this is my first video ever, and my husband's in the room right next to me, and this is why I'm a little awkward, because I don't know, I don't like him hearing me record. But anyways, we made those at Gingerbread House 2 days ago. My kids made it. And then my mom got me this witch from Ross in 2019. And then I got this guy from Home Goods this year. He's super cute. He was actually supposed to go on the table, but there was no room. I had a whole bunch of skulls and spell books and a whole bunch of other stuff. My table's just not big enough for it. And then the guy, he comes in a set of 3 from TJ Maxx I got last year. And here's my Mickey Mouse countdown. And then I got the Costco Village collection. Yeah, I got the Village collection. And look guys, it does a little song. Let me put it on for you. Let me try to find it. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off though because my kids are asleep, and yeah, I'm not trying to wake them up right now. And here is Mickey and Minnie, part of the Spooky Village collection. And here is me and my husband. And I got this from Michael's last year or 2 years ago, I don't remember. And here's the rest of the Mickey Mouse Spooky collection. And then here, my husband got me this from Spirit last year. But I saw that Home Goods is selling him too. And here are my 3 kids. No, but I had to get this. It reminded me of my 3 kids. So I got this from TJ Maxx last year, and then my mom's boyfriend got my kids these little ghosties dancing around. But I think he got them from CVS or Walgreens. I don't know. It was a gift, but it's cute because it's my kids. And then I got this guy from Box Lunch, and he comes with makeup brushes, but I took him out. And here's my Halloween countdown my sister gave me. She's had him for years, and she gave it to me, and I love him so much. I don't know where she got it from. Maybe Dollar Tree? I don't know, but it's super cute. And that's the end of it. That's the end of my 2022 home tour, Halloween home tour. Hope you guys have a good one. Bye.